Okay, this PTT station in Bangkok, old station, but they also using the Huawei 720 kilowatt charger, hypercharger. There's one power cabinet, so 720 kilowatt shared by multiple gun lah. Don't know which one is 500 amp. I don't see the red color because all branded as the EV PTT Station Plus. But good to know, it's everywhere now. The third generation fast charger in Thailand. Let's get some coffee. Okay, this is PTT station VIP Havadi in Bangkok. So they have multiple DC CCS connector up to 480 kilowatt max. So it's configured differently from the Huawei charging station at the one that the bigger hub. And interesting to see, you can actually book in advance to use this charger. Yeah, so those available charger, you can just tap book and then press in 30 minutes slot you can book and use today or tomorrow. So this is the plate of the charging connector and also the charging cabinet for your viewing pleasure.